So this one's gonna be on how to be able to extract any zip file. With this application, also you can extract other ones like tar files. What are the other ones like GZ files? But the easiest thing to do is there's an application called 7-Zip, and you can get it online. It's free. And cool thing about 7-Zip is it's very light, it's fast, and it's got like just about all the options that you can do to be able to extract just about any files. So that's why I recommend this one. So to be able to download it, just go to 7zip.org and go ahead and get the version that you want to use. And basically, all you would do after that, once you have installed 7-Zip, just go ahead and locate your zip file and just like go ahead and right click on it and then open with you should have 7-Zip option in here. And then where it says, I think it's like the fifth option, it says extract to, and then the name of the, basically the name of the folder. So you can do it like that, and this will extract basically the, the folder with everything inside. So you can do it that way. You can also send it somewhere. Where it says extract files, you can click on that, and then over here you can actually choose where to extract it to. If you want to extract it to a different location, so you can actually search, and you can give it a name as well. You can actually even give a password, so in case you don't want somebody to snoop into your documents, you can put a password in there, and only you will be able to access it. So those are very useful options that 7-Zip gives you. So that's it. That's how you're able to extract any zip file on your Windows computer. So that's it for now. Bye.